Evaluate this integral then between 0 and 0.6 using the trapezium rule with 7 ordinates, and your answer should be to 3 decimal places. So let's work out h first of all then. So h is equal to b minus a. Well, the interval is from 0.6 to 0, so the difference is 0.6, isn't it? Over the number of intervals, 7 ordinates, so there's 6 intervals. So h equals 0.1. So our ordinates now, we've got 7 ordinates, so we go from x0 up to x6. We start from 0, and we increment by h, which is 0.1s, isn't it? And 0.6, there we go. Now we need the y terms. Let's get those. So I've labelled the integrand f of x here, save us writing it out. So this will be simply f of 0. When you input 0 in here, 1 plus 0 is 0. Cube root of 1 is 1. So there's the first one. Then we're just going to have to evaluate on the calculator all the remaining values, aren't we? So let's just write them down. It'll only take a moment to do. And then we can just tap them in the calculator. There they are. Okay, let's get those then. Let's tap them in the calculator. So, what have we got then? The first one, 1 plus x cubed to the power third, isn't it? So it's bracket 1 plus, it will be 0.1 power 3, ground level, close bracket, power, and then it's 1 divided by 3 in the air. That's the power third. Okay, so we got that. That's the first one then. 00033, isn't it? We'll do it to 5 dp. And then when we find the answer, we need the answer to final answer to 3 dp. So it should give us sufficient margin of error. That's the first one. No, oh, well, that's the second one, isn't it? Now we'll get 0.2. Just toggle back and tap that in. 00266. 00266, isn't it? The 5 rounds up. 00266, wasn't it? Okay, next one, 0.3. Just toggle back then. 00892. 1.0892. Next one. Put in 4. 02089. 1.02089. Next one, the fifth one. So we should rattle through these fairly straightforwardly. 04004. 1.04004. And then the last one. It's either 1, so it was a 4. And then 0.6 in. Put in 6. Tap that in. 06736. 1.06736. There we are. So now here we can work out the integrand according to the trapezium rule. Here it is here. h over 2. 0.1 over 2 is 0.05. So we can write that down straight away. The first and the last, isn't it? The first and the last value of the y's. So add that, you get 2.06736. And then it's plus 2 times. And then we've got to add up all the ones in between here. So let's just do that on a calculator. And then we can put that number in here. And then we can work out this value. So we're going to add these up then. 33 plus 1.00266 plus 1.00892 plus 1.02089 plus 1.04004 4. That's it. There's the numbers in between. Equals 5.07284. 5.07284. We've got that in the calculator here. So now we can just times that by 2. And we'll get the answer there. Then add this number. 06736 equals, now we've got the entire bracket worked out, and then times it by 0.05. 0.61065, we're doing to 3dp, so this would 6 rounds up to 0 to 1, so it's 0.611. So it's 0.611, and that was to 3 decimal places.